Is the Earth round, or is it flat? While the vast majority of scientists agree that Earth is a globe, millions of people around the world believe it's flat. But why? What makes someone believe in one idea over the other? In this video, we'll explore both sides, not to argue, but to understand. This is not about proving anyone right or wrong. It's about discovering the reasons behind these beliefs and what they tell us about science, trust, and human nature. The idea that Earth is round goes back more than 2,000 years. Greek philosopher Eratosthenes measured shadows at different locations to estimate Earth's circumference in 240 BCE. During the Renaissance, observations of ships disappearing over the horizon, star constellations shifting with latitude, and eventually satellite images provided more proof. Modern science supports a spherical Earth through watching lunar eclipses and planetary movements, and gravity pulling objects into a sphere, and from satellites and space missions like Apollo 11. To scientists, the evidence is overwhelming and consistent across multiple fields. But for flat Earth believers, the story looks very different. Flat Earth believers often say, "Don't trust what you can't prove yourself." They question the reliability of scientists and space agencies. To them, photos of Earth from space could be manipulated. Many argue the horizon always looks flat. Water in oceans doesn't curve. Flights don't behave the way they should on a globe. Some believe the Earth is a flat disk with the North Pole at the center, surrounded by an ice wall, possibly Antarctica. Others see Earth as flat under a dome, referencing ancient interpretations from various cultures and scriptures. For flat earthers, the truth must be observable and personal. They believe in questioning everything, especially authority. So why do most people believe the Earth is round? For many, it's simply the result of education and scientific consensus. They trust the collective knowledge of scientists who use tools ordinary people can't easily access, like satellites, telescopes, and physics experiments. They also see global navigation, weather patterns, time zones, and space travel as logical only on a round Earth. But beyond evidence, belief in a round Earth also comes from trust in institutions, schools, universities, NASA, international science bodies. To these believers, the idea that all scientists are lying seems far less likely than the Earth being a globe. Flat Earth belief often stems from mistrust in science, media, and authority. For many, it's not just about Earth's shape. It's about feeling lied to, manipulated, or ignored by the system. Some arrive at flat Earth through other conspiracy theories. Others say they once believed in a globe until they started asking hard questions and found that no one could answer them. Clearly, at least to their satisfaction, online communities also play a big role. YouTube, forums, and social media offer an environment where people feel heard, supported, and validated. Belief becomes part of a larger identity, one that values independent thinking and personal investigation over mainstream consensus. Belief isn't just about facts. It's also about how we think. Psychologists say humans seek patterns, certainty, and belonging. When something feels off, we search for deeper meaning. For globe believers, trusting science gives a sense of stability. For flat Earth believers, questioning the official story provides a sense of control and empowerment. Cognitive biases also play a role. Confirmation bias. We seek evidence that supports what we already believe. Dunning-Kruger effect. Sometimes, people overestimate their understanding of complex subjects. Group identity. Being part of a belief. Community, flat or round, reinforces loyalty to the idea. Before the internet, fringe beliefs spread slowly. But today, algorithms feed us what we already like or believe. Flat Earth videos often go viral, not because they're true, but because they're shocking and engaging. At the same time, online debunking videos and science channels have grown rapidly, defending the round Earth with demonstrations and expert interviews. Both sides now exist in separate digital worlds, each with its own facts, heroes, and logic. The result? A digital divide where each group sees the other as misled or brainwashed. Belief in either a flat or round Earth is often shaped by education, geography, and social surroundings. In places with strong science education and access to quality resources, people are more likely to trust the round Earth model. They're taught how gravity, astronomy, and physics support the globe idea from an early age. But in regions with weaker educational infrastructure, or where science is viewed with skepticism, alternative beliefs can take hold more easily. Social environment matters too. If your friends, family, or online community support flat Earth ideas, you're more likely to accept them, not because you're uneducated, but because your sources of truth are different. Exposure to science, critical thinking skills, and trusted mentors can make a big difference in what someone believes. So sometimes belief isn't about facts alone. It's about what you've been taught and who you trust. So is it possible to bridge this gap? Maybe, but not by arguing. People rarely change beliefs through confrontation. Instead, it may start with respect, listening, and shared curiosity. What if we asked why someone believes, instead of proving what they believe? Understanding the human side of belief, fear, doubt, loyalty, pride, might be the only path to real dialogue. Whether you believe the Earth is round, flat, or just want to understand both sides better, the real mystery may not be the shape of our world, but the shape of our beliefs. Because at the end of the day, the world we live in isn't just physical. It's psychological, emotional, and social. And maybe, just maybe, that's the truth worth exploring.